eggs. Egg, right? In 2016, when prosperity, that's a prosperity started, 1 dozen egg was for $350. 1 dozen egg now is for $900 under the Jamaica Labour Party government. Corned beef, aka bully beef. In 2016, corned beef was $270. In 2025, this same corned beef here is $650 under the Labour Party government. Where you say more money? More money, more money. Nothing laying labor no good. Comrades, 3 tin a tin mackerel, aka flash out. In 2016, 3 tin mackerel was for $210. In 2025 under Labour, 3 tin a flash out, it's for $505. Saltfish. Nothing is sweeter than saltfish. In 2016, half a pound of saltfish was for $1,100. Under the prosperity where you can't see, you can't feel, you can't touch, saltfish is now $1,950.